Hi all, welcome to my little world of baking. Today we are going to make sour cream. Sour cream is something very simple and easy to make at home. We just need only two ingredients to make this. All we need is just two ingredients. Here I've taken whipping cream and curd. You can use curd or buttermilk. My whipping cream is actually right from the refrigerator. I'm going to warm this slightly. I'm going to warm it until it is lukewarm. Okay, now my cream is warm to touch. Now I'm going to transfer this to a glass jar. So while it is still warm, I'm going to add a teaspoon of buttermilk to this and give it a stir. That's it. I'm going to close it now and keep it aside. Now this glass jar will remain on my countertop say for 8 hours. I'm going to keep this overnight and I will meet you in the morning. Okay, now this is our cream. We had left it in the on the countertop overnight. It is completely set. We'll just check. So now you can see, yeah, it is completely set. You can see that it looks like thick curd. Yes, yeah. Okay, now our sour cream is ready. Just before whipping, we need to chill this. So I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator, say for good 2 hours. So our cream here is completely cold. It is ready for whipping. I'm going to start whipping it now. So whipping this to soft peak. Okay, now our cream is whipped and ready. In the coming videos, we'll show you how to use this on cakes. So happy baking!